business problem I solve is a lot of companies want to automate their financial statements. Typically, they go about doing it in Excel and create these income statements, balance sheets, trial balances, cash flows, and then they do it manually in Excel. However, we can take their data from their database and bring it into Power BI, and then we create those financial statements in Power BI, and they can view them either ad hoc or they can set up a subscription via email to receive these financial reports on any schedule they would like and fully automate the process. We're currently working with a consulting firm that wants to automate their financial statements. Previously, they were doing them in Excel manually, and we are bringing that financial data into Power BI from their on-premises database and creating those financial statements there. So they can view the Power BI reports in the Power BI service whenever they would like, or they can subscribe to email alerts to be alerted whenever a certain KPI changes so they know to view their report and look at what's going on. If you're having problems automating your financial statements and your financial data, at Collectiv, we can take your financial data, bring it into Power BI, and enable everyone in your organization to view these financial statements whenever they would like and make actionable insights.